It's that time again, time for my annual Mailbox Power review. Am I still using it? Spoiler alert, yes, I am. If you ever stop seeing these videos, that means I'm not using it anymore. How am I using it in my business? Am I using it more or less? Do they have any more products? I am going to be covering all things Mailbox Power today. If you are looking for a solution in your business on being able to consistently keep in touch with your sphere of influence and show them how much you appreciate them, you are definitely going to want to stick around. Mailbox Power is my go-to tool for doing this. All right, so here we are in my Mailbox Power account, and I am just going to cruise through the areas that I use the most in here. And I do find it to be really user friendly. They've done a great job maintaining that. Overall, I'm really, really happy still with Mailbox Power. And I'm going to talk about a couple things that I'm thinking about making some changes on. And there is one, I'm going to say negative. It's nothing serious, but there is something that I really don't like that they've added that I'll talk about shortly. So inside of here, it's very easy. Something that I love about Mailbox Power is the ability to automate. The beauty of Mailbox Power is the time that it saves and the ability to still keep in touch with your clients and make them feel special because they are. So if you want to set up like an automated postcard campaign, you can do that. You can automate birthday cards, which now that I'm talking about it, I'll just go ahead and get into that. I'm seriously considering automating birthday cards through Mailbox Power starting next year. And the reason that I've debated on it so long is I currently handwrite them for all of my clients, and they love getting them. And it's not that I don't love doing them, I do, but it's become a very labor intensive task. So I am strongly leaning towards automating birthday cards through Mailbox Power as well. Saved projects in here, this just shows you what you have already made and what's been going out. My most popular, I absolutely love Mailbox Power, is to send out the home anniversary cards. Bring it up here so you all can see what goes out. This is a card that we designed in Canva and then uploaded to Mailbox Power. I tweak this anniversary card every single year. And then come January, my assistant uploads it and everything is then automated to go out for everyone's home anniversary. If they've referred to us in the last 2 years, I also include a gift with that. And I'll talk a little bit more about the gift section shortly. Contacts, I'm not going to click on that, but that's where all your contacts are. I don't want it to show everybody's personal information. It is very easy to also, I'm going to come down here, integrate your CRM with Mailbox Power so that when a new contact is entered into your CRM, it can be seamless and all that information can flow over into Mailbox Power. I think that's something that is huge as well, because then you're not trying to essentially maintain two databases. It's if you are maintaining, I use Follow Up Boss, if you're maintaining that and inputting the information correctly, then you can set it up to just all flow over to Mailbox Power. It really comes down to two things for me: wanting to leverage time while still giving my clients that personal touch that they're used to. That gets harder and harder to do the more you grow. So I cannot encourage you enough, whether it's Mailbox Power, Send Out Cards, I'm sure there's other ones out there, Dare & Co., they do good gifts and they handwrite their cards. I like using them too. Whatever you use, just make sure that you are implementing these systems into your business so that as you grow, you're not getting overwhelmed and not staying in touch with your people and then end up losing business because of it. So let's come to mailing list. I don't have any in here because I get my mailing list directly from the MLS. But if you want to order a mailing list, import it from Excel, or actually purchase mailing lists directly from Mailbox Power, you have the capability to do all of that. It's very easy to import a mailing list from Excel as well. And now let's come to the card and gift catalog. I think Mailbox Power in the last year, since I did my last update, has done a phenomenal job of what they've added for their cards and gifts. I feel like whoever's running the show there, they have definitely really put a lot of effort into sourcing and gathering gifts to have in this centralized location for anyone that is using Mailbox Power. I will say what I touched on earlier, and sorry, higher ups at Mailbox Power, if you're watching this, I've got to be honest. I'm always going to shoot it straight. This sugar cookie 2-pack, like, what an awesome idea. Absolutely love the idea because not everybody likes brownies, although the Mailbox Power brownies are so good. I have so many clients that literally are waiting to get their brownies with their home anniversary card. But these sugar cookies, although they look absolutely beautiful, you can put your logo on them or you can put a saying if you want to do like happy home anniversary on them. Really nice touch. The cookies themselves, absolutely, absolutely delicious. The icing though, y'all, I am not a fan. It reminds me of the consistency of chalk. And I'm really sorry, Mailbox Power. I'm not trying to hate on you. I love you guys. I think that your site is phenomenal. Use it all the time. But we've got to do something with the icing on these cookies. Just fair warning to anyone watching this. I stopped sending them because a close friend of mine, I sent them to her. I had never tried them. Mistake on my part, I should have. And she was like, hey, Amanda, have you really tried these? Like, I'm not sure that it's really the vibe that you're going for because I love food and I definitely appreciate tasty treats. I had to stop with the sugar cookies. Everything has its pros and cons. Pro tip, send stuff to yourself so you can taste test it before and then decide what you want to implement in your business. But they've got all the things in here. Food, of course they have, but for someone who likes golf or outdoors, they've got that. They've got even apparel now. That's a new one that they have really, I think, poured into if you want to design your own shirt. They've also got gadgets for somebody who maybe has it all. You can send a tape measure. You can send a laser engraved business card case. I cannot emphasize enough, something that I love that Mailbox Power has done in the last year is just expand upon their product catalog. Want to send a gift card? No problem. They got you covered. There's so much in here. I could spend probably an hour going through this catalog with you, but you get the point. You've got a lot of options and you definitely have way more options than a few years ago or even last year. Automation templates. Depending on what you are trying to accomplish, they have a system to walk you through to then show you the templates that they already have if you aren't going to be uploading your own. You can also build your own in this system. Again, very, very easy. Your design templates, that's going to depend on if you are interested in actually purchasing templates from Mailbox Power. So you can see here, if you are not going to be uploading designs from Canva, you certainly can come in here and pick a design. Let's view the template for this one. This one looks attractive and clean. You can see here, you can actually use these templates within your business. If you want to add it to your favorites, you can do that as well. And again, the ability to customize for your clients. It's not just happy birthday, it's happy birthday, especially for Jim, John, Amanda, whoever it is. Favorite designs. These are all my designs that I have uploaded in here. Again, I'm not going to go to each one, but you certainly can work from templates and purchase your own designs. Help and support, self-explanatory. Birthday calendar, self-explanatory as well. I want to go back here to saved projects before I hop off of here and come down to something like this. There is not a client in the world who doesn't appreciate getting some type of customized gift along with a card. And something that I have started using Mailbox Power for even more is I monitor my clients' social media to be able to congratulate them if they've had something great happen in their life or to send condolences if something sad happened. I really use social media to be able to plug into my clients' personal lives. And Mailbox Power then helps me show how much I care or how excited I am for them. I use them very frequently to be able to send these customized gifts and cards. And to me, Mailbox Power accomplishes that, but it also accomplishes being able to put that leverage in your business. And that is why I continue to use it. The products are good quality. For the most part, the food is always a hit. Those sugar cookies are really the only thing that I've ever heard like not great feedback about. But other than that, it is the ability to stay in touch with your clients. And I hear from a lot of folks, I get messages about Mailbox Power a lot, I'm sure because of these videos that I do. And yes, full disclosure, I do get affiliate income from Mailbox Power. That is not why I share it though. I don't care if you use it or not. Use something else if it works better for you. The point is, and why I keep doing an annual update on Mailbox Power, is it helps me get more business, and I can put a lot of it on autopilot. And to me, that's priceless. I don't miss the days of every single month going, ooh, who do I need to send a home anniversary card? Should I be sending them a gift to? What should I get them? How do I design it? You will quickly get behind by doing that as soon as you are growing your business and have more than, a dozen or so clients. It becomes very cumbersome, and Mailbox Power allows me to get things set up. It's a system that I can then implement processes in and leverage my time. And that's why I would consider using Mailbox Power. This is all great, the whole website, it's user-friendly, etc. But that's my why for continuing to use it. So there you have it. That's how I used Mailbox Power in my business. If you have any questions about implementing it into your business, drop them in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram. Just shoot me a DM. If you got some value from this video, please consider hitting that like button. And until I see you on the next one, take care.